Hi guys, so as you all have seen my airsoft AK-47 in my last video, so in my today's video I'm gonna give a brief review about my airsoft AK-47. So let's start it. So we'll start from the magazine. It's the magazine. It's empty, so I'll put it back. It's the trigger. Then it's buttstock, which is this. Then comes its front view, its rear view, then the barrel, which is this. It's the barrel. It has a laser light attachment, which is this. This light can glow. I'll show you. So you have seen it. Then at last comes the charging handle. That is this. It's the charging handle of the gun. So when I pull this handle, then I can fire my gun. It has got a furniture color around it, which is this. It is here, then it is in the buttstock, then it is in here too. Because of this furniture color, it looks pretty good. It has an AK-47 print written on it, which is this. It is written AK-47 here, as you can see. So that's all about my airsoft AK-47 rifle, and I hope that you like this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.